Here are 10 interesting facts about king coconut. Scientific name. King coconut is scientifically known as Cocos nucifera var. Aurantiaca. Origin. It is native to Sri Lanka and is commonly found in tropical regions of Southeast Asia. Colorful husk. Unlike the typical green coconut, the king coconut has a bright orange or yellow outer husk, making it easily distinguishable. Sweet water. The water inside the king. Coconut is known for its sweetness and is often consumed as a refreshing beverage. It's a natural electrolyte-rich drink. Health benefits. King coconut water is not only hydrating but also contains essential electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals. It's often considered a healthier alternative to sports drinks. Versatile use. Apart from drinking the water, the soft kernel inside is edible and is enjoyed as a snack or incorporated into various dishes. Cultural significance. In Sri Lanka, the king coconut holds cultural significance and is often used in religious ceremonies and rituals. Medicinal properties. In traditional medicine, various parts of the king coconut tree, including the water, oil, and kernel, are believed to have medicinal properties, offering benefits for digestion, skin, and overall well-being. Limited shelf life. King coconut water has a shorter shelf life compared to regular coconut water. It's best consumed fresh to enjoy its natural flavors and nutritional benefits. Symbol of hospitality. In Sri Lanka, offering a guest king coconut water is a symbol of hospitality, and it is a common practice to serve it to visitors. These facts highlight the unique qualities and cultural significance of the king coconut, making it not just a source of refreshment, but also an integral part of the regions where it is cultivated.